Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test in the iQOO 7 Pro after quick unboxing on the day one. Yes, when this is the day one of using the iQOO 7 Pro and I didn't install any applications at this moment, and in fact I did not even log into the Google Play Store as well, and I did install only Antutu benchmark application, that's it. And we'll try to see how is the overall benchmarks going on in the iQOO 7 Pro after the day one, after the quick unboxing. The iQOO 7 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and right now I'm not using any kind of monster mode at this moment. It's completely turned off. So first time I'll not use any kind of monster mode and we'll try to see the results, and second time I'll try to use the monster mode and we'll try to see the difference as well, what's going on with and without monster mode. And meanwhile my focus would be on the temperatures. So what is the temperatures in the beginning, what is the temperature after a certain amount of time, and what is the temperature in the final. So these are the few things which I'll try to concentrate on the iQOO 7 Pro at this moment. So let's get started friends. Right now all the apps are completely cleared in this iQOO 7 Pro, and this is the latest version which I did install, so which is a benchmark version 10 as you can see. And now I'm going to do the test for the first time in the iQOO 7 Pro. So let's get started. So right now as you can see friends, after getting close to 32% of the benchmark test, and the temperature did increase up to 33, 35, 36 as well. So overall the 36 degrees is the high temperatures. Right now I did notice 36.8, 37.2 as well, and I will be back after some time. So finally friends, we are reaching close to the end of the benchmark test in the iQOO 7 Pro with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and we'll try to see the results, so how much the phone can actually get up to. Overall friends, after the benchmark test with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, the phone did score about 12,66,000 in the iQOO 7 Pro with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. So which is really very good with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. As you can see friends, regarding the benchmark scores. And the temperatures overall, it did not increase much as well, and by the time at the end of the test it was about 34 and 33 degrees Celsius, so which is also pretty normal, so which is pretty good. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and next time I'll try to use a monster mode and then I'll try to do the test as well again. Until then, signing off and bye.